I'm Fernando. I'm 26, and my role here at the office, I'm an intake specialist, and I've been doing that for about several years now. So I meet with potential clients who are looking to get us on board, and what I do is I listen to their stories, see if it's a case we can help them out with, and if so, I'll share with them with our process, usually how we can help them out, and I'll talk to them about what the retainer will look like, and if needed, work with them on payment plan and all those fun things that go with hiring an attorney or law office. So I was born and raised in Peoria up until I was about 12 or 13 years old. And then through high school, I grew up in Avondale. So I've been in Avondale for the last 10, 12 years. And my favorite thing about growing up at Peoria and Avondale is I kept going to the same high school, but just growing up with my childhood friends, staying in contact with them, and just the communities both in Peoria and Avondale was very accepting, and everyone was really nice and quiet. So I was inspired to, just to get into law in general because my family has been both, unfortunately on the criminal side of things, but mainly on the immigration through the systems. And growing up mainly on the immigration side of things, going through the systems, talking with the attorneys, just having someone help my family out from the point of the consults, going through the process, the court hearings. I just wanted to extend that same feeling because I just felt very grateful. I was very happy with the way this firm was able to, not just any firm in general, but just having a professional help us out, help out my uncles, help out my aunts become U.S. citizens and residents. Now we do a little different law here, but I want to bring that. So I wanted to bring that same care and the same love that I felt with that firm helping my family out. And I just, that's why I like doing what I do. We merged with Arizona Law Group from Nader Law Group. We're helping them out branch out the criminal division, and so I like to carry that through with our clients in that division. Just show them that we do care, show them that love to the attention to detail and what's going on, and really just carry that same empathy that I felt with the other firm, just helping them out, aunts and uncles, and like I said, I just like extending that to other clients. A lot of the clients that we meet with and we get to help out, a lot of them wrongfully accused or they're being treated unfairly by the system. Really just seeing how we can help out the clients, the outcomes we're able to get for them, clearing their name, and really just helping them start this new chapter because there's a lot of bad stigmas, even just being accused of a crime. And I was never a big fan of that. We're assumed innocent until we're proven guilty. And I just didn't like seeing people being mistreated through the system. So just seeing a lot of the clients that we get, a lot of people were able to help out, get fair outcomes, get treated properly, and get treated like a person rather than a criminal, rather than being assumed guilty as most people are going through this, from low misdemeanors to even the high felonies. My favorite thing about the job is meeting with everyone. Now, even with the clients I don't hire, I still love meeting with them because I love hearing their story. I love listening to them. And in my experience, first time or second time, regardless of how many times someone's gone through this, it's treating them like a person. What I've noticed is that contact with law enforcement or even just talking with a lot of the prosecutors, no shade to any individual, but what I've noticed is that no one gives them that respect. No one treats them as a human. And so that's one thing I love about my job is actually listening to them, treating them like a person, and also letting them know how we can resolve their issues and connecting them with a really good team to, just to help them out there. One of my hobbies is really just hanging out with my dogs. I have 3 dogs right now. I was a puppy grandfather on or about January earlier this year and relocated a lot of them. So working out, hanging out with my dogs. I love video games. Here and there, I'll build some computers just for fun or for some family members. And other than that, hanging out with my friends. I'm very family oriented, so I hang out with my parents, my aunts and uncles. I think one thing a lot of people don't know, I'm left-handed. I know that's not very common. Actually, common in the firm. I think Howard is left-handed. Actually, one of our defense attorneys. But other than that, yeah, no, everyone's surprised when they see my left hand writing. Yeah, so I'd say that's probably the big one. Not a lot of people know that I'm left-handed.